Hey guys, and welcome back to Chumley105. Happy New Year.
That was a damn good one.
And today,
That's pretty good.
We're doing a 2018 recap. I hope you guys are excited as we are, because we're just pumped.
We're pumped.
Tickled pink.
Don't look it, but we're pumped.
We are ready to go. So I've got some little questions here we're going to ask the guys here. I'm going to answer it myself. So, what was your favorite video you done this year, or was in? Either one.
How about that, Charles? What's your favorite video?
I'm going to take this off.
Elk Viewing Tower.
Elk Viewing Tower?
Elk Viewing Tower. Well loved by people. What are you doing, dummy? Alright guys, we're gonna check a map. Where the hell we at?
We're out of breath, but we're here.
Where the hell?
The owner's only a 3,500 pound limit. We can't be up here together.
Let's be out in the woods.
There goes something.
I ain't a nail, but it looks like a coyote.
There it goes.
It's pretty good. What was yours? I forgot what you captioned it.
It was a disaster.
It was a disaster.
But
Flipped a four-wheeler on my leg that day.
Yeah. All right, got everybody here. We're ready to go ride. There he is. Woo! Whoa! Yeah. Leg ain't broke, is it? I'm going to say probably mine, it was painful, just due to the fact that it really made me laugh, you know, due to, you know, that's when we first got in the bushes, and then you had Caleb wrecking because of the 2 lovebirds there riding their quads.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, we just try to forget about that one there. Look both ways, children.
His face.
Yeah. Perfect. See, this is how people get run over.
Big step.
Oh yeah. Dude, that is legit. Check that out, YouTube. Okay, let's go. We got a ride. Caleb, you riding back there?
Yeah, dude, let's go.
Alright. What? What'd you do?
Handlebar lever right here.
Yeah.
So my clutch doesn't want to go out all the way.
Yeah.
And I bent my gear shifter just a little bit.
Ooh.
I did not realize this was gonna be that bad. I took up this curve hauling right here.
Ooh.
Crashed it twice.
My 4-wheeler's up.
This motherfucker.
Love fest caused Caleb to wreck.
What happened here?
Well, these 2 lovebirds were holding hands on 4-wheelers. You zoomed by them. I got tired of eating dust. I went to fly by him. He swerved in front of me. I hit him about 35, 40 mile an hour. Slung me into bushes.
So, that being said, what was your favorite joke or meme on the channel?
Trey. Definitely Trey.
Be more specific, T-Bag.
The Buchanan Special.
Oh, it's got to be out in the bushes. I mean, that was iconic. I mean,
I'm gonna take you in the bushes back here, Zach.
that's what I think of when I think of this channel.
Be more
Out in the
specific.
bushes?
Yeah, just out
Be
in the
more
bushes.
specific,
Technically-
T-Bag.
We're out in the bushes a lot.
I mean, we are.
Be more specific, T-Bag. That's it.
So, sounds like Trey, you won this one overall. Go you. We love you.
Good job, T-Bag.
Yeah, so we couldn't do it without you. What do we want to accomplish this year on the channel?
Banshee killer.
See, he says Banshee Killer, but he's delusional, so
You're just a hater.
evidently just
You're hating.
It ain't gonna be the Banshee.
You're a hater.
It's not gonna
You're
be
a
the
hater.
Banshee. It's not.
Surprise video coming up. Dun,
Yeah.
dun, dun.
Race is gonna happen soon. Speaking
We
of
will
race,
have a race. Yeah.
yeah,
That is mine for the year. More racing videos.
yeah. We're gonna be doing a couple races here in a little bit. We'll just see how that goes. I mean, hopefully it's a win.
It'll be a disaster.
Hopefully it's a win in more ways than one. You know, probably my goal is I want to hit more subscribers, obviously, because we're like at 305 right now, which is a really good. Our numbers are up from when we first started. We started back, I say probably about this time last year, uploading constantly. So to gain that many, I guess, subscribers, because I think we started maybe, what was it, 290, 295, something like that. I mean, we've been gaining some, so I mean, anybody that like to subscribe, if you're new, hit us up, you know. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. 2018's been a really good year for us here at the channel at Chumley105. I've really enjoyed it. I hope they have too. And hopefully in 19 we'll make some even better videos. But we also have some bonus footage here at the end. That footage we have never used. So I hope you enjoy that. Thank you all for subscribing to us this year. If you're new, we really appreciate you guys. And hopefully we'll get a few more this year. So
Tell your friends.
yeah, tell your friends. We appreciate you guys. But until next time, hold wide.
Chumley105 signing out.
Rolling chicken pen. He put a chicken pen on wheels so they could pick the ground right there, and then he would just push you with his forward to the next spot and pick the ground there. Now who the hell invents a freaking rolling chicken pen? What are you doing?
Really? What a LT 250R. That's what's in spec.
Yep.
Yellerfield, Tennessee. Alright, ready, and watch this. Yeah, mule! Yeah, 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 yeah! My handles! My four-wheeler's
Best said by Joe Dirt. Man, look at that filter.
So this filter has been removed from a 2016 Honda Foreman. It increases fuel injection power
You see the
through the
yeah.
intake manifold. Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, it's not even bolted on there.
Yeah,
That tightened, clamped horse, I guess.
that would be caused from low range power problems. Looks like the carburetor's not even bolted on at all, most likely. It's
Yeah.
okay. I'm okay with that. Guess that could be why I have low compression.
So that's tricky as it's all going to be right there. Might as well try it, I mean, why not? I've always wondered what's up here though. Just a hair shorter and I'd been there. Should have got on it more. And I'm heading right for a bush. I definitely don't want to be in the bushes. Oh, let's screw it up even more. Woo! Woo! Yeah, you forgot, didn't you? Just wait a second.
I forgot.
Yeah, I gotta fix that.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Just give it a second.
Always be better.
You didn't know you're here. Tag here.
Tag here.
Subscribe wherever.
Instagram name right here.
Oh. It's like, oh no, you done it too early, dude.
Well,
we didn't even say.
That was my leg. My leg is
You absolutely botched that in every single way. I wasn't like,
Can you edit that out?
no, I can edit it out, but it was just like,
Won't make no sense.
yeah. Oh, you said you just have diligence?
I
put
didn't
that-
expect that.
You put that in there, it'd be funny.
I'll probably put that on there like unseen footage / bloopers.
Yeah.
Bloopers.
Bloopers.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just fun. That's, do I need to put the helmet back on and do the take again?
Yep.
Oh my god. Where is my
Just
notepad?
Chumley105.
Get excited. Get tickled. Do something stupid.
Okay, Super Saiyan off. Oh, that'd been bad.
Yeah.
We're not.
Action.
Hey you guys, and Happy New Year.
Nope, that didn't sound right.
Yeah.
That's gotta be in there.
Yeah, I'm done.